Hey there everyone, this is Ray Burke with Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning, just bringing you scenes from a project we recently completed in October of 2020 over in Panama City, Florida. Now, this mid-rise building is about 155 feet to the top of the metal roof on the gable end, so got a larger lift for this project to help us complete it. The scope of work included all the brickwork, the concrete precast, even the TPO and the metal roofs on this building. So really, we touched every surface here on this project. One of the things that really made this project kind of difficult was having a Friday's restaurant there on premises. Whenever we're doing a commercial pressure washing, we want to make sure that the business has the least amount of disruption as possible. So we don't want to go shut down the Friday's parking lot. We don't want to interrupt their flow of customer traffic when we're coming in. So we really made sure to work around that side of the building during only limited time so we didn't cause any type of business disruption for the TGI Fridays. The scope of this building also included a window rinse down, not a complete window cleaning, but we did make sure to leave all of our debris rinsed off of the windows so they weren't overly spotty, to make it easier for the professional window cleaners to come in after the rest of the rehab work is complete. Working around an operating restaurant gives you some additional challenges as well, specifically grease, as well as the human factor of traffic and patrons coming in. But whenever you have a busy restaurant, those hood exhaust vents, they put a lot of grease out, so we had to use some special processes to make sure we cleaned up those greasy areas very well also. Additionally, you'll see here in the video lots of traffic and pedestrian protection that we've done here. We've coned off areas. We've put safety tape up. We had safety monitors walking the premises at all times during the cleaning because we want to make sure that an innocent pedestrian doesn't stumble into one of our cleaning zones. But top to bottom cleanings like this are so much fun to do and they're so satisfying. We literally clean from the top of the metal roof, the TPO roofing, the brickwork, the windows, all the way down to the concrete there at the bottom of the property, even the light poles and the curbs in the parking lot. We were very happy with the way this project turned out. And if you have mid-rise or large-scale pressure washing projects, call us at Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning. We're based out of Tallahassee, Florida, but we're more than happy to travel reasonable distances to make your project look its absolute very best. And you can find us online at spraywash.com. That's spraywash.com, or give us a call at 850-320-6364. We'd love to take a look at your next pressure washing project. Thanks for your time and listening to this project. Bye-bye.